This is made a part of the tape I'm going to tape today, and it's sitting here right here where you can see me directly. Last tape was side view. This is the front view. And my keyboard is here. But I want you to know something. The Lord reigns so truthfully. And if we can cut down to something full of crap around here and tell everybody straight is. And one of the things about that word, it's not a bad word anyway. It's been used for many years and everything. And through the truth, and the lightness of the grace, and then I just want to show you that some people don't sound like it, so do I. Let's play on a tune here today. So, yeah. We're gonna play different tunes, and you can pick out which one is your best. See here, I'll music with it. That's not it. That's not here. How do you work this stupid thing? Try to get some music played, but which one you still have? This is an old piano or keyboard I got for somebody's birthday a long time ago. It was given to me as a gift from somebody's birthday. They got it for their birthday, and then they didn't use it correctly, or they didn't use it at all, and they passed it down to me, and I make some use of it out of it. It's very old. I had it since I was 26, 28, 29, or 27. It was about that range, and you can imagine how old this really is. And this is very priceless to me. But the horse, I can see your soul, and I kiss, not cause, I saw it and never see. I kiss the water, I saw those. I kiss what I see, I don't know, oh no, I see, I saw it. Cause holding on and not to see. Oh, it's like cause holding on, no one I know I can see. I see it, no one may see. I see I know I kiss Gracias, Masasa si sido, Asora in Kiro, Asaya no here to, Asaya Kasuya see what they are doing, Asaya. Excuse me, I'm coughing there. In the Lord, in the story. Let's change the tune here. I think I kind of screwed this up. Okay. Let's make some funny sounds if I can find the right tune. Let's do this. Yeah. Back to a regular tune. There you go. Cosa sanno, así. No.